How to buy EasyCoin token. So this token came under the symbol of EYC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 12 hours ago and increased by 300% in less than 4 hours. Now, as you can see, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the Bitkit wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. First of all, after that, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. And after that, click on swap, switch from here, and from top up you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy EYC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.